Alright, so tell me what's done to this.
Just a regular PRL kit with a comp 6062, and the motor is all stock motor. You got 1,000 injectors, and then you got a ported RBC. And that's basically it. Tuned by VitViper.
VitViper too.
Yeah.
How much boost on that?
I think right now it's at 12.
12 PSI.
Yeah.
Can you boost higher than that? Because it seems like it's a pretty big.
Yeah, it's just that my fuel return is set up differently, so my duty cycle is almost at 100%. So I'm just trying to redo the fuel return, and then hopefully then I can run the 85 and boost higher.
So today you're on 91 octane?
Yeah, 91.
Have you tracked it at the drag strip?
No, never have.
No?
I've never seen a track or a dyno.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, what do you expect, like on the dyno, like a dyno jet?
Probably low 400s, if not high 300s.
Cool. And you know about my car, right?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. So we'll test it out. We'll see how it does. You want to do? How fast do you want to do?
We could go from either a dig or a 40 roll.
Okay.
40, 50 around there.
All right. Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah, we just want to see how well it accelerates compared to mine. Clutch, transmission. You done work to that?
You got Gear X gears with Synchrotech synchros, and you got a hybrid short shifter with hybrid cables. That's it. A stage 3 action clutch as well.
Action clutch. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Yeah. Interested to see how this does.
It does good.
What tires are you running today?
The Toyo R88R.
R888R?
Yeah. R888s.
Are these better than the ones that's not R at the end? Like R888, no R?
I don't know. I've never tried them.
Yeah, there's so many different versions of this tire that I don't know which one's the best one. So cool. What size are they again?
I think 235, 45s.
Yeah.
17.
Yeah. Nice. Cool. All right.